Hi there, Mr. Lewis. This is Caitlin here at Nissan of Greenville. I'm just taking a quick video of this 2019 Chevy 2500 Turbo Diesel. Just want to show you its condition, let you know that it is here and available. It is white on gray and black interior. You do have power locks, power windows, power mirrors, all your controls, Bluetooth, cruise control, ways to hook up your phone. It's got a backup camera. Super clean. Plenty of space in the back seats. Seats do come up. Headliner is very clean. The middle comes down for cup holders. Again, this is Caitlin here at Nissan of Greenville. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Let me know. My number is 903-474-1634. Thank you.